Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with TubeBuddy for keyword research and ranking tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up TubeBuddy for keyword research and ranking tracking, first, download the TubeBuddy browser extension. Once downloaded, install the extension according to your browser's instructions. After installation, you'll need to sign in with your YouTube account. Click on the TubeBuddy icon in your browser to start the setup process. Allow TubeBuddy access to your YouTube channel by granting necessary permissions. Once logged in, navigate to the main TubeBuddy dashboard. To begin keyword research, go to the Keyword Explorer tool within TubeBuddy. Type in a keyword or phrase relevant to your content into the search bar. TubeBuddy will return a variety of metrics regarding that keyword. Pay attention to the search volume, competition, and overall score of the keyword. Choose keywords that have high search volume but low to medium competition. You can also filter the results to find long-tail keywords for more niche content. After selecting your preferred keywords, take note of their relevance to your video topics. Next, explore the rank tracking feature of TubeBuddy. In the dashboard, locate the rank tracking section to set this up. Add the keywords you want to track for your videos. TubeBuddy will monitor these keywords and provide updates on your ranking position. You can view the ranking history over time to gauge progress. Review your video performance regularly to optimize your content strategy. Utilize TubeBuddy's SEO Studio to refine your title, tags, and descriptions. Incorporate the chosen keywords naturally into your video content. Document your findings and adjustments as you use TubeBuddy's tools. By consistently using TubeBuddy, you'll enhance your keyword strategy and improve video performance. Keep exploring additional features like A/B testing and thumbnail generator for further optimization. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to leveraging TubeBuddy for keyword research and tracking effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.